If you quit now, you'll end up where you first began. When you first began, you were desperate to be right where you are now. Don't give up now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be making cauliflower stir fry. So if you are interested in making it, make sure you stay tuned. And if you do make it, tag me on Instagram at carbcuttingchelsea. And I'm a little sweaty, so don't judge me. I just finished working out. But let's get into the meal. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead in my wok. If you don't have a wok, I guess you could just use a regular pan. But I'm going to go ahead in my wok and add a tablespoon of canola oil and a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Just 1 tablespoon of each is enough. And then everything I've got is actually from Walmart. Alright, so I'm going to put that in there. You know what, I'm just going to put a little bit more just because my ingredients this time have a lot more to the pan. So now there's 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and then 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn my stove on. And I'm going to add my chicken first. Okay. And we're going to add our shrimp. Now I'm just using peeled frozen shrimp from Walmart. You can use fresh shrimp, it really doesn't matter. But I am going to go ahead and add these into my wok. And you're gonna let that cook. Alright, so as you can see, the shrimp and the chicken are cooking. Then when it is ready to you are going to put your chicken and shrimp or whatever meats you're cooking, whatever, on a separate plate or bowl, but do not empty out the sauce. You want the sauce to stay in the wok or in your pan. With the leftover oil in the pan, you're gonna take your rice cauliflower. I'm just using a frozen bag. So the key with cauliflower rice, so that it doesn't taste mushy, is you want it to basically just dry all the way out. And this is when you're going to add your seasonings. Alright, so I'm going to add some salt, some peppers, some paprika, and some garlic powder. And you're gonna let that cook until it's basically dry out. Alright, so this is what I mean by the cauliflower drying out. So like there's no sauce left over. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my broccoli florets. I probably should have cut these a little beforehand, but it's okay. Just gonna break them apart a little. My hands are clean. You can add onions if you want, whatever you want to add extra. I just don't like onions in my rice. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stir that around. Okay, so I'm also going to add the chicken and shrimp back in here. Now you have your broccoli, your chicken, your shrimp, and your cauliflower rice. Alright, and then in addition to this, this is when you're going to add in your soy sauce. And then you're also going to add in some garlic. And I was going to add teriyaki sauce, but I don't have the Jihu's sugar-free teriyaki sauce. They were out of it. So I'm not going to add any, but I'm going to add some garlic. Now I'm going to add some soy sauce. And I'm going to measure the soy sauce out. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and so as you can see, this is basically finished because all of the sauce is basically all absorbed into the rice. I meant to actually add green pepper to this, but oh well, too late now. But yeah, so just make sure your rice is all dried out, meaning there's no liquid left over, and I promise you it will taste like the closest thing to rice there is. So that was a super quick and easy keto low carb meal. If you guys try it, remember to tag me in it, and I hope you guys like it. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.